Good morning, friends, and best wishes to all of you for Vasant Panchami today. This is an urgent issue for which I am coming you on my channel because today morning I got the message and I am reading the content which was given by at amitsurge.com by Dr. Amit Thadani. As per him and his research, the COVID cases are once again surging in Maharashtra. Whatever he has written, I will just speak, you just listen it. What he has written, the second wave is here. Second wave for COVID-19 is here. The number of the COVID cases are rising sharply across the entire state of Maharashtra, Mumbai. Mumbai has reported a near doubling of the number of COVID patient cases from around 350 per day to 645 per day within a week. Amravati, Nagpur, Pune and other cities in Mumbai are also reporting a significant rise in the number of cases. Over 4,000 new cases have been detected in Maharashtra in past 24 hours. That is on 14/2/2000, just day before yesterday. For the first time in the month, in Pune, test positivity rate has almost doubled in a week, indicating a significant degree of spread in community once again. In Nagpur and Amravati, the rise in the new cases has been sharp enough for a local administration to raise more control measures and defer openings of the educational institutions. The number of the fresh cases has once again started exceeding the number of recovered patients in Nagpur and Vidarbha district. In Amravati, the number of the fresh cases has shot up by 7 times, whopping 7 times. I am also narrating this because I have seen in the market whenever I go, the people are not wearing masks. They are not keeping any social distance. This is very, very bad and sad for our culture. And now he tells again, all this clearly indicates that the second wave of the COVID has started in Maharashtra. Complacency and carelessness has crept into the population, and this is obvious to anyone who visits public places nowadays. Hardly anyone is seen wearing a mask in rural and semi-urban area. Even in Mumbai and other metros, people are blatantly ignoring protective measures. We are in wedding season in India. Hardly anyone is seen wearing a mask in wedding function. Hundreds of people stuffed inside an air-conditioned hall without mask or social distancing in a certain recipe for disaster. It is no wonder that wedding party and vacations are acting as super spreader as the government has lifted curb on mass gathering. Though the situation in India is still under control, if the people do not pull up their socks and start following proper measures such as wearing a mask, maintaining social distancing and avoiding overcrowded places, we are in for big trouble in the next few weeks in Maharashtra. It means be ready for another lockdown. Friends, do you want this? I have got another message from a doctor that I will read, and he has requested. His name is Dr. Tronal Shah, Dr. Tushar Shah, and he has written a letter. Hello, friends. This is Dr. Tushar Shah, and today is the 16th of February 2021. In my opinion, that we should start preparing for another large wave of COVID-19 infection. The number of the cases in Mumbai are again creeping up. There is a real worry that some of these may be due to the variant like the UK variant, the new variant which was discovered in the UK a few days back. It's a headache for the world, and we pray to God because some of the European countries, they have started the second phase of the lockdown for the COVID-19. Now some other variant has come in India. Although we are still in control, but it may be uncontrolled if the peoples like you, the common people, never use any precaution and the social distancing. Now what he has written more, past COVID infections or vaccination may or may not be adequately protected against variants. In those who have COVID, immunity of the past infection can start disappearing after a few months, making them prone to the reinfection. We may thus go back to the square one even before we get vaccinated. Friends, please be cautious, and the steps to be taken, they includes take the vaccine as soon as it is available to you. Means never deny if your turn come for vaccination. Secondly, avoid traveling for holidays. We have had quite a few cases recently of the people coming back from Udaipur, Dubai, Maldives, Mahabaleshwar, etc. Avoid flights and other public transport except for the work. And even if you go for the work, you have to use N95 or double masking is necessary in such transports. Better to avoid it. But if you go, take the proper precaution. Wear N95 mask when you are outside your home and your bubble. If you don't have an N95 mask, wear two masks, a cloth mask above a surgical mask. Venus V4400 N95 masks are reasonably priced and readily available. Avoid marriages and similar functions of distant relatives or non-intimate friends. And if you do attend, don't remove your mask at the function. This means that you should not eat or drink at such functions. If you do travel, isolate yourself for 5 days after return to protect your relative. Always carry a hand sanitizer and an extra mask with you. Wearing gloves when you are out shopping helps reduce the incidence of your touching your faces. It is possible that you use hand gloves also. For the next few months, make work from home plan A and not a fallback option. If we don't collectively help the authorities, we don't listen to the administration, be ready for the another lockdown. You should be well precautious. Okay, we cannot expect lockdown soon. Let us not go back to the state. I, Vipul Sen, request you, please, 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 listen to administration, use the social distance norms, and wear the mask and if possible the hand gloves. May God, Ma Saraswati, help India to overcome this problem. Thanks. Jai Gurudev, Jai Mahakali, Sarvasya Brahm, Sarvat Brahm.